Catch a fish.
Really? Now is it time for a camera?
It's coming. Come on, Steven. Are you gonna go first, Dad?
I don't know.
Oh God. Shh. Catch a fish. Okay, I'm here, Steven.
Yeah, I see them fall.
Okay, I'm gonna get mine too. Here. Nee, I'm here. Shh. It's my fish. I'm getting my fish. Steven, you wanna get? Steven, you wanna get it here? I'm here now.
Oh, she has a
Yeah, have a fish. Get it first. Oh my God, it's big. Good, good. Okay, Dad. Okay, no, don't touch it, Steven. Yay, good. Okay.
Get it back!
No, don't get it out yet. Just leave it. Okay, let's get the other one. Just leave it. No, leave it. Okay, good. Woo, 2 fish. Woohoo! Good job, guys. Woo, big one. Another big one for me.
5 fish!
2. Yay! Caught the fish at the same time. Show me, Steven. I want you to show me. Show me the fish. Oh, put it higher.
Dude, he'll hook himself.
Okay. Good. 2 fish. Yay. Oh, big. It's around 4 pounds. Yay.